Good day and welcome to sales. Here we've got a 1995 GMC Top Kick with a chipper dump on it, working, operating, and going here. We're going to show you all the way around this truck, and thank you for watching the video. We're going to show you a video demonstration of all the functions working and taking you around and showing it work here. I'm going to get right up in here. This truck has less than 500 miles on the tires. Really nice rubber, really nice operation. Take a look at it. Likewise, all the way around the truck. Really good rubber. It was doing a job just on Saturday. We're gonna dump this before it goes out, but take a look here. She's got chips in the back. She's ready to roll. This has the pony motor on it, so you can run the boom functions off the truck or the pony motor. So I'm gonna get right up here and show you the pony motor operation. Take a look at it there. Nice truck here. We're going to show you all the way around it, show it operating and working. You can give me a call on my cell phone at 260-760-5052. That's 260-760-5052. That's 260-760-5052. Thanks again for watching the video. We're gonna put her back into place here and show you all the way around her here. Thanks again for watching the video. And this one is a gasoline motor with the Kubota pony motor on there. Show you the boom, the operation here of the outrigger going up. And then likewise across the way. We're going to shut that off. And then we're going to fire the truck up here and show you the inside. This has a respectable interior for a 1995. You can see she fires right up. The motor runs smoothly. We're going to take it down the road and show you how she goes. The parking brake works good. We're going to shut that off. Take a look here. Now we're going to show you all the way around. Thanks again for watching the video. Give me a call on my cell phone at 260-760-5052. It's one thing for me to tell you, one thing for me to show you. We're going to show the truck operating, running down the road here. She gets right up to snuff and runs right down the road, runs and operates good. Thanks again for watching our video. This is going to make somebody an awesome truck. Take it right out, cut down a tree, make money with it. Watching our video, you can see it shifts through all the gears and runs up and down the road good. So thanks again for watching. If you'd like to see any other clips or anything you'd like, just give me a call. I'd be glad to do it for you. Thanks so much for watching.